Alright guys, so today I'm going to attempt to remove the top end of this, the jug and everything. This 80cc engine, Honda engine. Never did it before, so I watched a few videos on the YouTube and I think I understand what to do, but if I mess up, don't be too hard on me. So I already got these two bolts here loosened, so go ahead and take that off. And there is your valves and your, so I guess we'll start by, I think I got to remove these 4 bolts here. I got to remove these tensioners on the outside. Got to loosen that one. Then the main bolts on this side. So let's get to it. Oh no! Didn't go down in, that's good. So then you loosen this. There's another tensioner. Guess we'll find out, huh? Not sure how that works. Alright guys, I'm thinking I gotta take these 2 bolts here off, spin it around, be able to remove this timing chain. Oh, that wasn't even in there that tight. I don't know if that's right. That's normal. I think it'd be in there a little tighter than that. Spin this flywheel. Wow, I thought they'd be tighter. I thought they may have some thread locker or something on there. Now, we don't want to let this chain fall. Okay. Just tie this off over here so it don't fall. Ah, we got it. Oh, sweet. That's awesome. Alright guys, so there's your 2 valves. That's the fuel valve, and that's the air and fuel, and that's the exhaust valve. I got the chain tied up here, and then I'm supposed to take this piece here out, which is your camshaft. I'll go ahead and take the sprocket off here. Okay, there. I didn't think I could get that off, but yes you can. Alright. Put this chain, tie this chain up so it don't fall. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to try to remove this bolt here. And apparently the whole thing should lift off. We'll find out. It's tight. Oh yeah. See what happens here. Oh yeah, it's loose. Yep, it's coming off. Okay guys. Yeah, that needs to come out. So the tensioner thing in there can release. Now it should come right out. Yep. There we go. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Okay, don't lose this. Where's this go? Don't look too bad. There's the gasket. So, I don't know, those valves, they're not looking, I don't know, they look pretty sealed up. I guess we'll have to test them out. Alright guys, got the top part off. Let's go ahead and remove the piston jug part. How does that work? Where is this? What's this thing? Where's that come from? That's confusing. I don't know if that should be coming out. Not sure about that. There it is, guys. Alright guys, so I finally got her tore down. I need to do some more research because I'm not exactly sure what I'm looking for. I knew the piston saw the carbon build up on there. The valves, they're looking pretty a lot of carbon build up on them also. I might have to, I know there's a test you can do by pouring some water or something in here to see if they leak. And then the jug, the jug looks pretty good in there. So yeah man, this is fun actually. Tearing the engine down for the first time and just going with it. If I mess it up, oh well, because that's the reason I bought these XR80Rs, was to have some project bikes where I can learn and not worry about messing anything up with a good bike. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do some more research. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need a top end rebuild kit, which they're like, I think, 80 bucks for this. The new piston and everything comes with it. So once I get that, I'll make an install video of that and see how it goes. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later.